Hi, my name is Melissa Ross. I'm the chair of the English department. I have been a teacher at Burke Catholic for 25 years and have sent 4 kids through Burke. My youngest is a junior. With me are Shelley Rivecchio, Anthony Constantino, and Kristen Snyder, amazing colleagues. Our department follows the New York State Common Core curriculum as well as the Next Generation standards. The graduation requirement for English is 4 credits, and students must pass the Regents at the end of junior year. Our philosophy as a department is to develop students who are better readers and writers when they leave us. In addition, we try to cultivate a love of literature and reading. We are always proud of how well our students perform in college. But more importantly, our philosophy is one we have both as a department and a school. We would love to have our students develop a lifelong love of learning and reading, and many do. Many even surprise us with how much they read and write beyond the doors of Burke Catholic. We would love to hear that they are becoming Shakespeare scholars. We do have a Hemingway scholar, but more importantly, we want to help them grow into good citizens of the world who go out and impact the world in a positive manner. That is the goal of every teacher here.